What comes to mind when we think of a disaster? Typically, our thoughts go to catastrophic natural events such as floods, typhoons, landslides, and earthquakes. We also tend to imagine these hazards as natural tragedies that we cannot do anything about, and those affected as passive victims who are simply unlucky. But not all hazards have to turn into a disaster if we listen closely to those most at risk. My study finds that everyday vulnerabilities created well before catastrophe hits by numerous man-made and social forces that create unequal conditions. I asked Filipino youth who are disproportionately affected by the social dimensions of hazards and particularly marginalized by adults to draw their stories on how they construct their reality of risk environments. Turns out, youth have unique and creative contributions to make. Be it a community radio show for countering extremism or first aid relief work on bicycles, youth should be recognized as important actors on the disaster agenda.